Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Real quick, I want to show you guys what I'm making. So I have here some broccoli and yellow squash and some baby carrots. I've already washed them and cut up the squash, of course, and clean the broccoli. So I have grapeseed oil, and I have some black pepper, some onion powder, some minced garlic, and some salt-free herb seasoning. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I already added my grapeseed oil, and I'm just going to add my minced garlic. And I'm going to let this soften up for like 2 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my vegetables. Just give it a nice toss. Doesn't that look pretty, guys? Very pretty. Now I'm going to add my salt-free seasoning, my garlic powder, black pepper, some salt to taste, and you just toss everything into the oil and garlic. Oh my goodness guys, look at this. Doesn't it look pretty? So basically I have my oven preheated on 350, and I'm just going to put this in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, stay tuned. Be careful guys. Okay guys, here it is. I guess I'll call this my garlic roasted vegetables. It smells so good and the broccoli tastes so yummy. I will put everything in the description box for you guys, and if you try it, please let me know. Until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love.